In this video, we'll discuss how to use automation with emails in HubSpot. To do that, you first need to head over here into your HubSpot homepage. Once you're in there, just need to go to Workflows. You can find it by going over to the automation and clicking on Workflows right here. Once you have done that, you can create or edit an existing workflow. So on my case, let's create a workflow right here. You can start from scratch, from a template, or with AI. I'll start from scratch right here, and for this case, you just need to add right here a send email action. Proceed to click on this search option and search right here for send email. So proceed to search right here directly, or you can also look for the communications option, and here you can find the search email as well. So click on communication, click on send email, and you can add it right here by dragging it or by clicking on it directly. Now into this port, you can just add right here the associated level, the email that you want to use. After that, save this particular change. So you can just set up the triggers and publish the workflow once you're done. So that's all there is today. If you haven't signed up for HubSpot yet, make sure to use our affiliate links given in the video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on my next video.